Hey, Consumer Will, for a quick tip on some rat prevention kind of measures, mice prevention. Seems like everything else isn't really working for me from what I've seen on YouTube here, so thought I'd share this tip that I'm using now. Basically, it's what's happening is in this little crevice here, just up here. The mice are kind of getting in, and it's going all along here where my power box is, and it's kind of entering the house, and even that corner it's got stuff there. So what I've decided to do is use a combination of foam here. So I'm foaming the gap. I'm using this stuff here, which is actually header wrap for cars. They wrap it around headers to prevent heat dissipation and into the engine compartment. But what's kind of cool about it is it's made out of Kevlar. So it not only is it super fibrous, but it also is bulletproof. So if the rats or mice can get through that, well, you know, I don't think they could. But even if they did, they probably won't like it because that Kevlar fiber is super harsh on their teeth. So anyways, quick tip from you, and I'm using this spray foam here. So I'm foaming the gap to provide a bit of adhesion, and make sure you use gloves. This stuff's super sticky, and this stuff is super fibrous, so it's worse than fiberglass. Alright, so quick tip, and hope it works out for you. Oh, quick one. Make sure you get like a little pry gauge here to kind of help stuff it in there too. Okay, cheers guys, bye.